Hey, Natural Method YouTube. Does it feel like you want to cut off your arm? Do you feel pain each time you lift your arm up? Those sounds like the symptoms of a shoulder impingement. Don't worry, you're not the only one. Sawa has asked for a natural method for this. Imagine how much better you will feel once you get rid of the pain. Let's get started. Both hands in this position and roll your shoulder back. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are rotating back enough, you will feel the tension in your shoulders. 5. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift your elbow up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the elbow forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the best result, follow my pace. 4, 5. This time stretch to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your time as you bend. 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands in front and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop your hands down. Rotate your head in a clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you rotate, please make a large circular motion. 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift both shoulders up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands in this position and stretch back and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch to the tension point. 3, 4, 5, and relax. Drop your hands down.